What's up? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So do you have certain gear that you absolutely must have with you no matter what? I'm talking certain things that you just can't live without while taking photos. So do I. And that's what today's video is about. So let's dive in. So this past year I found myself messing around and trying new things. Going back to older cameras, trying new and different types of filters, taking one lens out at a time to see if I could, handle being limited and so on. And what I found is I have my favorites. Things that are so essential to me when I leave the house to go shooting photos that they just aren't even on my checklist. Because it's so ingrained in my mind to take them that it's almost impossible for me to forget. So first off, the camera. Now, as much as I absolutely love using my Canon R7, I've been loving going back and using my Canon EOS-R. Mainly because I've been doing a lot of low light stuff, and the results that I get with this camera are always outstanding. I do also bring the R7 on occasion. It really kind of depends on the time of day and what I'm shooting. Next, I have to have my drone. And the drone that I've been using this past year is my DJI Mini 4 Pro. There's something about being able to capture shots that not everyone can take. The locations don't have to be Instagram famous where everyone and their mother has taken the same shot a million times. Plus, since I make YouTube videos, I love having that extra tool to add some amazing B-roll to my videos when it makes sense. Next, I have to bring my Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter lens. Because I live in the desert and you never know when a mountain goat or even a mountain lion is gonna show up in the distance. And having this lens gives me the reach to not only get the shot, but to get it safely. Next up, my action cameras. Now, for you, it could be something different. It could be anything from the latest GoPro to any of the other brands like DJI, Insta, or whatever. In my case, I swear by the GoPro Hero 8 Black action cameras. They have great quality, the stabilization is top notch, and they give me everything that I need in an action camera. These are essential when I go out, not only to get B-roll or to use while I'm doing vlogs, but also for safety. Just strap one of these to my chest and I'm covered. Last up, I never leave the house to go shoot photos without my newer magnetic filters. I just love these filters. They serve as more of a security blanket for me these days. As long as I have them, I know that whatever I shoot will be exposed the way I want it. Do I want to add a bit of punch to those dramatic clouds? I pop on a filter. Darken some overly bright areas? Pop on a filter. Hell, my current favorite thing to say, even in normal conversations, is pop a filter on it. Now, this list isn't a what's in my bag when I go taking photos. It's also not a list of my favorite accessories. It's a list of my personal must-have things that I've been using in 2024 and that are essential to what I've been shooting. Next year could be different depending on what my goals are. But as far as now, this is it. These are my go-tos. So what are your must-haves to take with you every time you go out to take photos? Let me know in the comments section and keep this conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell so you never miss a new video. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my brand new Lightroom preset pack, featuring 13 presets that I use every day for only $10. And until next time, get out there and shoot, and I will see you in the next video.